love to have you here. Welcome. And if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I am Iliolami, a technical writer, and all I do on my channel is talk about tools to make technical writing easy for us as a technical writer. And as for this episode, I'm going to be sharing you how to use Hashnode. I know I've seen a lot of people use Hashnode or they don't really understand what Hashnode can do for you and without stress or without having to configure. And luckily, Hashnode has now as a platform for us to either create documentation or as a blog. So Hashnode, I love Hashnode so well based on the features that it has. I'm really excited for this. I mean, they have the best community, and secondly, they have various things that you can use the API docs, how to integrate it. They host hackathons, the community, the homepage. I love everything about Hashnode, and if you can see with Hashnode, you can create a blog site for your business where, let's say, other people can contribute, submit. This is my own, and this is another community that I am called Web3 Africa. And for this, I'm going to be showing you the blog aspect of it. So the first thing you are going to do is make sure you've already signed up on Hashnode using your Gmail account. Using your Gmail, and once you've done that, you have to create, let's say, create a blog name. Let's say the blockchain girl. Your URL, you can even, okay, let's say um technical writing, and for the URL we just do technical writing. And okay, technical writing, so you can choose, add your icons and the rest of it. So now let's get right into it. Once you've set up that, first thing is create new article. So now this is a particular article that I'm currently writing. If you see here, you have my drafts here. If you delete any of your previous article, you will definitely see it. You can also retrieve back your various, whatever you delete before your previous article. So this is a particular okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is a particular article I'm currently writing on, and I just feel like, oh, I don't have the capacity, and I decided to leave it. You can add cover, or better to use on Splash. Let's say you now write it on it. Let's just say domain. Maybe your topic has to do with domain. You can search for it. If you cannot create your own cover page, then add subtitle. You can, or if you don't want to. And the good thing about it is that if you have a topic and you want to like optimize title, so all you have to do is hover on this icon and it will generate SEO based title based on your own title for you. So you can decide to check and do everything. And also Hashnode also supports Markdown. So if you are new to Markdown, I mean Markdowns have to do with syntax like this for H2, something like that. It also supports Markdown. And also, let's say for this particular, okay, let me just take this out. Let me take this out. So for this, if you don't have, like, you don't know the table of content you can generate, you can also use the X, this slash, and scroll down and see generate article outline. It will generate an article outline for you based on your topic. So let's see what it gives us. You can see. Don't you like Hashnode now? So you don't have to crack your head on what should be in your table of content. And also you can even decide to like edit it or not. And another thing is that it automatically saved you don't have to click save all the time. It automatically save. And secondly, you also have an AI kick side where you can ask any question. You can even ask question based on it. Okay, let's say, what is I so instead of you going to ChatGPT to be asking questions, copy, he has an inbuilt AI that can help you answer those questions you see. And secondly, you can also let's say, retrieve revised history. So this is what I delete, and I can go as it will give me as far back as when I started this article, and you can restore. You see, that's very very easy compared to when you delete it your entire documentation, your entire content, and you're wondering, how can I get it back, you can always get it back. And secondly, you can also copy it. You can add your GitHub account. If you have your GitHub account, all your draft is saved on your GitHub account, so no worries about that. And secondly, you can copy, let's say, copy markdown. It will copy it for you, and you can just paste it. Let's say you paste it on your, let's say that, maybe after I've written it on there, you can copy it and just bring it to your Google Docs or whatever editor you are using to write. So just paste it, you see, and you can just edit it if you are not cool with it. So let's do something like, you see, if you don't like. So let's go back, and also you can preview what you've already written to see how it looks like, both on desktop, mobile, email, and email mobile. So this is how it's going to look like on a desktop. This is how it looks like on the phone. This is how it also looks like on your email desktop and your email mobile. Can you see? Can you see that? So, and you can close it. So if you want to see it like in action, maybe you are writing your that content and you want somebody to preview it or maybe reveal it for you, you can just send them the preview link, something like, just come here, copy it, and voila, just copy it and send it to the person, and they will definitely see it. You can also, if you know you're cool with, you're a markdown buddies like me, you can also switch to markdown. It's simple, it's that cool. So that is, and another thing is, if you want to publish, this is where the juice is. If you want to publish, you can add a co-editor. Let's say the person is Cindy. It will definitely for the person, for in as much the person also uses Hashnode. Table of content, if you want it to generate table of content for you, which is actually advisable because it's make it easy for people to navigate your article. Just click on it, and then select tags. Let's say it's a tutorial or blockchain or whatever. You can also add it to it. Then if it's a series, you can select Web3 series or not. Then for your essay title, you don't know what to do, Hashnode AI is there for you. SEO description, Hashnode AI is there for you. And you can also schedule your content, disabled and everything. So this is the best, the best, one of the best blog sites that I use, and I also encourage you to also use that too. So I hope you learned something new today. If you do, let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.